I have something really important to tell everyone today. Please turn off the faucet while washing your hands and brushing your teeth. And everyone, don't waste water in the shower. These are lessons we all grew up with. And while they are important, they won't be enough to address the world water crisis we're facing. We at Cubex have grown to learn that it's not just about the water we save, it's what we do with the water we end up using. And well, 80% of the world's sewage still runs untreated, right down the drain. Even in the US, 20% of households are still relying on septic tanks. And in parallel, we have states like California that are witnessing unprecedented droughts, have put strict regulations on irrigation, and have doubled their water tariffs just in the past 5 years. Today, more than ever, the incentives are in place to move these households from traditional septic to water treatment systems that will allow them to recover that water. But the problem is that these systems are bulky and can cost a household anywhere between 10 and 20K to install. But that's where Cubex comes in. It's a kit developed by a Lebanese startup that will allow you to modify your existing septic tank into a treatment system and reduce your freshwater consumption by 48%. But that's not all. We also have add-on modules that will allow the user to recover biogas and compost. A key value we offer our users is accessibility. They can simply walk into their favorite home improvement store, purchase the kit, and have it installed by a local plumber with our instructional guides and local tanks for a fraction of the cost. So in other words, if we combine IKEA and water treatment, that's where we get Cubex. We're targeting a market of $2 billion, which encompasses US rural and suburban households, and we'll be targeting mostly western and southern states where drought has hit the most. So our business model in long term is to sell directly to our clients. However, during our early stage, we're working with development agencies to install these systems for underprivileged communities such as Syrian refugee households. We do have competition, of course. However, most of them either work in the water treatment or energy recovery sector. What Cubex offers its users is the best of both worlds, while also being the only system to have no slurry production and compost instead. So far we've installed 2 units in partnership with the Union of Dutch Municipalities for Syrian refugee households in the Bekaa Valley, and we plan on installing 10 more by the end of the year. We also received support from the University of Wageningen in the Netherlands and plan on establishing a partnership with them to further optimize our system. So for 2018, we were able to secure our partners and manufacturing and development agencies while also developing our first kit. And now in 2019, we're going to be finalizing our MVP and our add-on modules while also securing a US distributor. Today, we're looking for $160,000 in investment in exchange for 10% equity, and we'll be spending 43% of that amount as an initial investment, while the remainder will cover our operational costs for the first year until we become profitable. And this is the team that's going to make it happen. So join us as we change how you see water. Thank you.